Secure your financial future with a real estate investment. Are you tired of just scraping by and dreaming of a better future? Well, it may be time for you to consider investing in real estate as a route to reach this goal. Investing in real estate can prove to be an excellent opportunity to increase your wealth and your net worth. Hi, I'm Patty Hardy, Sheridan Realty, right here in beautiful Canyon Lake. And although it may sound intimidating, real estate investing does not need to be intimidating. It can generate passive income, which can build long-term financial stability. Real estate is also an appreciating asset, meaning its value will most likely increase over time as the market grows. And not all investments require large sums of money to put down. So there are some brilliant techniques that are out there, and a lot of savvy investors have done a lot of research, and they consider these items before taking the plunge into the arena. So feel free to reach out to me and to my team, and I'd love to sit down, talk to you, and we can help you navigate this market and help you find the best opportunity for your investment portfolio right here in Canyon Lake. So why wait? Take control of your financial future and start investing in real estate. Give me a call today, 210-313-1010, and I am always happy to help. Thanks.